How to make money on Bybit daily. How to make money on Bybit daily. Bybit is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges globally, offering various ways for both beginners and advanced traders to make money daily. Whether you are looking to trade, stake, or earn passively, Bybit has several tools that can help you generate a steady income. This guide will walk you through the best methods to make money on Bybit every day, even if you are new to crypto trading. What is Bybit? Bybit is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers users the ability to trade cryptocurrencies, derivatives, and leverage trading with some of the most competitive fees and tools in the market. Bybit was founded in 2018 and has grown rapidly due to its user-friendly interface, educational resources, and innovative features. Bybit provides various avenues to earn profits daily, ranging from active trading to passive income options. Here is how you can maximize your earnings on this platform. Ways to make money daily on Bybit. Spot trading. Spot trading is one of the most straightforward methods to make money on Bybit. This involves buying low and selling high. Bybit offers numerous popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and others, allowing you to capitalize on price fluctuations or price movements. How then do you go about it with Bybit? The first step is to deposit your crypto or fiat currencies like USD, Euro, etc. into your Bybit account. The next step is to use Bybit's charts and analytics tools to spot potential trading opportunities. The next step is to buy when prices are low and sell when they rise, making profits from the price difference. Since crypto markets are highly volatile, prices can change multiple times a day, allowing frequent opportunities to earn. Bybit derivatives. Bybit is particularly well known for its derivatives trading, including perpetual contracts. You can use leverage borrowed funds to increase your potential profits. However, this comes with higher risk. Perpetual contracts. These allow you to trade crypto without having to own the underlying assets. You can go long, that is, bet that the price will rise, or short, bet that the price will fall. If the market moves in your favor, you can earn significant profits. Leverage. Bybit offers up to 100 times leverage, which means you can borrow up to 100 times your initial investment. For example, with $100, you can trade as if you had $10,000. With $10, you can trade as if you have $1,000, amplifying both profits, and it's also amplifying your risk. Now, another way to earn on Bybit is Bybit Earn. If trading seems too complex or risky for you, Bybit Earn offers passive ways to make money daily. Here are the key options. Flexible savings. Deposit your crypto into Bybit Earn and earn daily interest, which can be withdrawn at any time. The interest rate depends on the token you deposit. It can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and many more. Dual asset mining. This product allows you to earn higher returns based on two assets, such as BTC, USDT, or ETH, USDT. The payout depends on the market movement, and your profit is higher when the market stays stable. Launch pool. Bybit's launch pools allows you to stake your tokens in new crypto projects and earn rewards in the form of new tokens. These rewards can be claimed daily and can grow over time as the project gains traction. The next one is Bybit affiliate program. Another way to make money daily on Bybit is through its affiliate program. You can earn commissions by referring others to the platforms. Once they sign up and start trading, you receive a percentage of their trading fees. How do you go about this? Join the Bybit affiliate program by creating an affiliate account. Share your referral link on social media, YouTube, blogs, or other platforms. Earn commissions each time someone signs up using your link and makes a trade. You can earn up to 30% in commissions on the fees they pay. Grid trading bot is another way to make money on Bybit. Bybit offers an automated grid trading bot that can help you make profits in fluctuating markets. The bot buys low and sells high for you within predefined price intervals. How do you go about this? Set your price range for the bot to operate within, e.g., between $30,000 and $35,000 for Bitcoin, or between $50,000 and $60,000 for Bitcoin. Let the bot do the work, making small profits on each transaction as the market moves. Withdraw your earnings or reinvest them into the bot. The sixth way to make money with Bybit is Bybit copy trading. If you are new to trading, Bybit offers copy trading where you can mirror the trades of more experienced traders. This allows you to profit from their strategies without having to make the trades yourself. Step number 1, choose a professional trader to follow on the Bybit copy trading platform. Automatically copy their trades in real time. Number 3 here is earn a percentage of their profits. Note that Bybit takes a small commission from your earnings as a fee for using this service. Tips to maximize your daily earnings on Bybit. Stay informed. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and staying updated on news, events, and market trends can help you make better trading decisions. Use stop losses. When trading with leverage, it's essential to set stop losses to minimize your risk. This ensures that your trades are automatically closed if the market moves against you. My name is Dr. Olubengadit, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online and how to make money offline. I recently crossed the 5,000 subscriber mark, and as part of my corporate social responsibility or part of my community service, I am giving the first 5 people to drop their phone number and also telling me what network the phone number belongs to, so that I can send data to them to enable them to watch more videos on YouTube and also to browse the internet. I want people that really know that they need this thing, not just that you already have. So let's leave it for those who don't have. So if you know you don't have and you need this support, drop your phone number and tell me the network it belongs to in the comment section below, so that I can send data to you. Now, after using stop losses, you have to diversify your earnings. Don't rely on just one method of earning. Use a combination of spot trading, Bybit earn, affiliate marketing, and copy trading to create multiple income streams. The next thing you need to do is to start small. If you are new to trading, start with small investments to minimize risk as you learn how the platform works. Bybit offers a wide range of opportunities to make money daily, whether through active trading, passive income products, or affiliate marketing. No matter your level of experience, there is a way to profit from the platform. Take advantage of its tools, stay informed, and diversify your strategies to maximize your daily earnings on Bybit. This is the Dr. Olugbenga TV or YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring information on how to make money online and offline. So, in this video, I've spoken about Bybit. Take advantage of this opportunity and you are going to be glad you did. I will talk to you in the next video, but before then, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video to family and friends, and also drop your questions and comments in the comment section below. Take advantage of the giveaway I have announced this video, and then go ahead and watch this video that is popping up by the side now on this channel. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep enjoying my videos and take action on what I've taught you about Bybit. Bye for now.